Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to the maths session. I'm here, your Jasdeep ma'am from the Little Star School.
Today we are going to do addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. Till now what we have done? We have done of like fraction, unlike fraction, but today we are going to do with mixed fraction. Okay, so let's start solution. We will learn this topic with the help of examples. Okay, so first is add 2 integer 4 upon 5 and 3 integer 5 upon 6. So 2 integer 4 upon 5 plus 3 integer 5 upon 6. This is in the mixed fraction, right? 2 is a whole number because nothing is there. No decimal is there. No upon thing is there. So it is a whole number. You know na? Whole number starts with 0. So it is a whole number. Then 4 is numerator and 5 is denominator. So how we have to convert into the improper fraction, mixed fraction into the improper fraction? I have said you that improper fraction is equals to denominator dr into whole number plus numerator upon denominator. We have done this. Do you remember? That formula only we are going to put, and we are going to convert mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Okay. So if I'll show you here, how you can do is denominator into whole number. So we'll go first like this. What we'll do here, we'll do the multiplication. So 5 2s are 10, and then 10, we'll take the 10 and we'll go here, and we will do here addition. 10 plus 4 is 14, right? So 14 upon 5. Always remember this arrow. We will always go like this. Okay, denominator to the numerator, in which whole number is coming. So by whole number we will multiply, and then with numerator we will add. Okay, like that way only we will do of this. 3 5 upon 6. We'll go like this. 6 3s are 18, and 18 plus 5, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, right? So plus 23 upon 6. See here also it is written like this in denominator, then it comes whole number, then add numerator, and the denominator what it is there, that only we will write. So we have written 6. Okay, like this way only we will convert. So we have converted into the improper fraction. Now you remember improper fraction means what? When numerator is bigger than the denominator, right? So it is called as improper fraction. See, both are improper fraction. 14 is greater than 5 and 23 is greater than 6. So they are improper fraction. Now we have to do addition. But as you can see that both are unlike fraction, right? So first what you have to do? We have to take out the LCM. The same process what we were doing in the unlike fraction. 5 and 6. In 2 table 5 is not coming. 3s are 6. Okay. And then in 3 table 5 is not coming. 3 1s are and 5 1s are. Okay. Now we will do the multiplication. 2 3s are 6. And 6 5s are 30. So LCM we got 30. Okay. So 40 and upon 5. So by which number I will multiply 5? So I will get 30. I will multiply by 6. So in numerator also I will multiply by 6. So I will get answer 14 6. If you are not knowing, so you can multiply. 6 4s are 24. 6 1s are 6. 7 8 84. 84 upon 5 6 are 30. Okay. Now coming to next is 23 upon 6. So in what number I will multiply? So I will get 30 in the denominator. So I will multiply by 5. So in numerator also I have to multiply by 5. So 23 into 5 you are not knowing, so you have to multiply 23 into 5. 3 5s are 15. 5 to the 10 and 1 11. So answer came 115. So 115 upon 6 5s are 30. 30 is equals to, now we will do the addition. 84 upon 30 plus 115 upon 30. Okay, is equals to, now we will do the addition. 115 plus 84. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 1 plus nothing means it is a 0 here. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So our answer came 199 upon 30. But this is not the answer, as they have given us the question in the mixed fraction. So we have to convert this improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Okay. So for converting into the mixed fraction, what we have to do? We have to divide. So we'll divide. So let's divide it. 30 divided by 199. So 30 table is like 3 table, right? So we'll put, see, 30 ones are 30, 32s are 60. Like that we will go ahead. 33s are 90, 34s are 120, 35s are 150, and 36 are 180, and 37s are 120. So 120 is the greater number. So you can see that I have written the table of 3 only. 3 4s are, 3 5s are, 3 6s are, 3 7s are, right? Only zeros I have added. 180 we want. 180 means 6 are. So 36 are 180. So 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. So this is quant. This is remainder. And this is divider. So we know the formula, that quant, remainder and divider. So we'll write like that. Quant means 6, remainder means 19, and denominator means 30. Divider means 30, and this is your answer. I hope that you have understood. In first step, what we have done, we have converted mixed fraction to the improper fraction by putting the formula that denominator multiply whole number multiply plus 4. So it came 14 upon 5. Like that only we have done here. Then we have took out the LCM. This was the third step. See, I'll write the steps. First step, what we have done, improper to mixed fraction to improper. So this was our first step. Then second step was, we have took out the LCM, so we got the similar denominator. This was the third step for finding this. Then we have added. If it is written addition, so we'll add. If it is written subtraction, so we'll subtract. So this was the fourth. Then we have divided. So if we have divided, then we got into the mixed fraction. So this was the fifth step. Only 5 steps are there. Okay. Now moving to the next sum. Example number 12. Same 5 steps we are going to do in this also. Find 4 integer 2 upon 5 minus 2 integer 1 upon 5. So 4 integer 2 upon 5 minus 2 integer 1 upon 5. Okay. So it is in the mixed fraction. So first what we will do, we will convert into the improper fraction. For that we have to use the formula of that arrow from down to up, denominator to up. So here multiplication will come, here addition will come. So 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. So 22 upon 5. Like that we will do of this also. 2 integer 1 upon 5. So down to up. Multiplication here and here addition. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 upon 5. But you can see that here it is easy that 5 and 5 denominators are same. Means it is a like fraction. So it is very easy to solve it, right? So 22 minus 11. Because denominators are same. So we will write the denominator 5. and 22 minus 11. So if you are not knowing, so 22 minus 11, so 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. We got the answer 11. But you will say, no, ma'am, I have to convert into the improper fraction. So let's do that. So 5 divided by 11, 5 2s are 10, 11 minus 10 is 1. So this is the quant, remainder and divider. Okay. So in this also it was the formula quant, remainder upon divider. So we'll write the answer. Quant means 2, remainder is 1 and divider is 5. It is easy. We'll do one more example of this. Okay. Simplify 8 integer 1 upon 4 and 2 minus 2 integer 5 upon 6. So 8 integer 1 upon 4 minus 2 integer 5 upon 6. It is in the mixed fraction. First step was what? We have to convert into the improper fraction. For doing that, we will use that arrow. I am doing the arrow here only now. Here multiplication, here addition. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33. So 33 upon 4. So again here arrow. If you are knowing, no need to do the arrow. Okay. For your explanation, I am here doing arrow. Okay. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right. Okay. 17 upon 6. Now here you can see that denominators are different and numerators are also different. So we will use the method of LCM, right? Because it is unlike fraction. LCM. So 4 and 6. So 2 2s are 2 3s are. 2 1s are. 3 is not coming, so we'll write like that only. And 3 1s are. We'll multiply now. 4 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So LCM we got 12. Okay. So 33 upon 4 into, by which number I have to multiply? I have to multiply by 3, so I'll get 12, right? So in numerator also I'll multiply. So 33 into 3 if you are not knowing, so multiply. Otherwise you can do like this also. 3 3s are 9 and again 3 3s are 9. So 99 upon 12. 17 upon 6. By which number I have to multiply? So I will get 12. I have to multiply by 2, right? So in numerator also I will multiply by 2. 17 2s are 7 2s are 14, 4, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2, 3, 34, and 6 2s are 12. Okay, now we'll write together 99 upon 12 minus 34 upon 12. Okay, denominators are same. We got the same denominator like fraction. Now it is easy to subtract 99 minus 34. So 99 minus 34. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 9 minus 3 is 6. So 65. Now as question is given in the mixed fraction, so we have to convert into the mixed fraction. So the formula is quant remainder upon divider. Always remember this. So multiply 12, 65. In 12 table 65 is coming. So we'll see 12 5s are what it is. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5 and 6. No, 60 is coming. But if we'll do by 7, 14, 7 1s are 7 and 1, 84 it becomes. Right? So it is greater number. So we'll take 60. So 12 5s are 60 and 5 is the remainder. So this is the quant, this is the remainder, and this is the divider. Okay. So quant is 5, remainder is 5 and denominator is D, means divider is 12. Okay. Here this is your answer. Don't get confused when quant and remainder both are 5. So where to write and where to not. Just write this instruction that Q means quant, R means remainder, D means dividers.